IKEA's viral donut lamp got a big update. Check out the new Apple Home enabled Varmblixt smart light. Real quick, before I show you this, if you want to keep up to date with all the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. I first got to see the new donut lamp out at CES 2026, and I was so excited. The first model, which lacked the smart capabilities, went mega viral and was hard to find. This updated version, I bet, will be even more popular. It has color-changing LEDs inside, so you can change the color of the light. In the box, you'll get the lamp itself, as well as a wireless remote and a power supply. You may not be able to tell on this video, but this lamp is actually glass. The whole body is a ring torus of hand-formed glass that sits on a metal back. If you ever need to, the glass can come off when you press the button on the side, which does require like a solid amount of force. The power cable is braided and feels nice and sturdy, which plugs in with a barrel connector into a power supply. I do wish it was maybe USB-C rather than a barrel connector, just because it's a little more common and easy to replace, but it's okay. For physical controls, there is a power button on the edge of the lamp located by the power cord connector. You can sit the Varmblixt lamp just onto any flat surface like this, but it has a keyhole on the back so you can hang it on the wall just like a photo. The cable still hangs down, but I think it looks pretty great. This lamp works with Apple Home, Samsung SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, and more, all thanks to Matter. Matter is the new-ish unifying smart home standard. Products can be Matter certified and basically work with all the major platforms, including Apple Home. And it connects via Thread, which is also great. Thread is a low-power, low-latency mesh network that goes across your home and is frequently used for smart home devices. The only requirement is that you have a Thread border router, which, if you're an Apple user, would likely be a HomePod Mini, or Apple TV 4K. Once I plugged in the lamp, I scanned the pairing code and I went through the setup process in the Home app. I gave the device a name, assigned it a room, and chose any of the suggested automations that I'd like to use, like automatically turning off when the last person leaves the home. As I said, this comes with a remote. It's actually the Vilresa remote, which is available on its own. Quick tip, out of the box, the remote comes pre-paired with the lamp to cycle through the colors. But you can also pair it to your smart home for more control. But that does overwrite the original pairing that was done. It runs off of 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, by the way. Mini tangent here. Recently, I've been using these new rechargeable batteries. They're super handy with all the smart home stuff I have and all the kid stuff we've got. Like my Alexa doorbells run on 6 AA batteries, and a bunch of the new IKEA stuff is also battery power too. So I can take these like nickel or lithium ion ones that they have from Olight and I drop them into this charging station I have in the studio. It charges them up, drops them out of the bottom. It even like checks them to make sure the batteries are safe and okay. It just makes it super easy to power up like all of these things. Also a lot nicer than those hokey rechargeable batteries that try to put a USB-C port on the end of them. No thank you. Have you seen those dangling out of the wall with like 6 USB-Cs split off? No thank you. I'm curious, has anyone else tried rechargeable batteries? Like these Olight O-Station ones are fantastic. Parents, serious life hack. I've saved so much money. Let me know down below in the comments what everybody else is doing. Maybe there's even better solutions that I don't know about. So this remote actually has 6 total commands that you can program. There's a single press, a double press, and a long hold for both the small and large buttons. I added it to Apple Home and I can set each button press to a different brightness or color. You can also use it as a smart remote for any other accessories you have in your home. Turn on your fan, your AC, a humidifier, other lights, scenes, whatever you've got going on. For me, I could set my filming scene here in the studio to turn on the top lights, the background lights, the key lights, while also turning off any AC or fans that may be making some background noise. This light is just part of IKEA's big Matter over Thread lineup. They introduced a bunch of accessories from smart buttons to remotes to environmental sensors. Bulbs, like everything. If you go to the channel, I actually did a whole video on all of these other devices. You should definitely check it out. I'll put a link for it in the description. When all of these new accessories first started shipping to customers, they were plagued with issues. It's been an ongoing topic of discussion as IKEA looks to solve the problems with both setup and connectivity. Since then, IKEA has rolled out multiple updates over the air to the different accessories. My guess is this lamp is also shipping with the latest updates too, because for me, it set up instantly. First try, the lamp was added to Apple Home, and since then I've had no issues with reliability or response times. Thread has been super fast, as you can see here as I control the light with the remote here. That said, I don't want to promise you all the same thing. My guess is that if you had trouble recently with the other IKEA Thread devices, then you may have issues with this too. From my understanding, it's, in a lot of conversations that I've had, it's some fringe use cases that are causing issues and depend on routers and Thread networks in the homes. I can only speak to my experience, which so far has been amazing. It's just what I would want and what I'd expect from a smart light like this. Rounding this out, just to summarize the usual smart home features here. This can be controlled from other devices. Maybe you have a smart switch on the wall to control ceiling lights. You could create an automation to turn on the donut lamp when the wall switch is pressed, or turn it on based on motion when someone enters a room. I love how it supports Apple adaptive lighting, which can automatically change the color balance throughout the day. In the mornings, it'll be a warm white, then transition to more blue during the day to promote focus, then back to a warmer yellow-white in the evenings to help you wind down. Few lights support this, so I'm so happy that IKEA does. You can even do firmware updates straight through the Home app. This light is super cool. It's fun, it's colorful, and it works great. They're available now, so if you want to pick one up, you can find it at the link in the description. Otherwise, be sure to follow for more Apple news, and I'll see you all in the next video.